Good morning, class 5. Today our topic is Industrial Revolution. We have started the Renaissance chapter. This is the last part, Industrial Revolution. When the Renaissance period started, people were not interested for the science from the beginning. From the 18th century, when the Renaissance started, people were not interested for the science. There were few scientists and very few interest towards the science. Then how this science developed or the scientists developed in the Renaissance period? They basically developed when the printing press invented. After the printing press invention, more people started reading books. As more people started reading books, they had more question for the scientific questions and questioning attitude. You can see in this picture that invention of printing press did what? It gave them more books, and for that more books, more people became educated. As that more people became educated, there were more questioning attitude, scientific attitude, and scientific invention and improvement. As we all know that after the invention of printing press, the scientific attitude developed. Now the scientific attitude developed and there were so many inventions and discoveries. One of that is the steam power. The steam power was invented, and with the invention of steam power, the man and animal power which were used in working places like agriculture, field work or any other things, that was replaced by machine power. Okay? So the manpower and animal power was replaced by the machine power. This machine used to run with the help of power of steam, and this power of steam was invented during the Renaissance period. So with the power of steam, this machine used to run, and these machines were replaced. This machine replaced the man and animal power. You can see in the picture a small machine. This kind of machine were used during that time. Now we will study about what are the scientific improvement and inventions were done. This is the number one point, which is that factories set up to produce goods. There were many factories which were set up to produce goods. Goods means the product from the factory. Goods are the product we are getting from the factory is called goods. Just like suppose you are giving cotton in the factory, you will get cotton cloth as a good from the factory. Second point, second improvement and invention done during this industrial revolution is the trade increased. As the goods were coming out, the goods were sold. Obviously, you will not alone, you will wear the cotton cloth. You need to sell that cotton cloth. As you are selling that, your trade is developing. Third one is the people left traditional farming work and joined factories. Previously, people were busy in only agricultural work. Now, we have another option, that is factory. Many people left their agriculture farm, their villages, and joined the factories. Many people left their home as well, and they started living near the factory, and they started working in the factory. Next point is the point number 4. Industrial town developed near the factories. As people were leaving their home for working in the factories, they have to settle down near the factories, and this is how the industrial town developed in the factories. This is how the industrial town developed in the factories, because people started coming near the industry and they started staying in the industry, and this is how industrial town developed near the factories. You can see in this picture so many houses are there because so many people left their village and started working in factories, and their home became the industrial town. Fifth point is the transport developed to carry the factory goods. As the factory goods were developing in a high speed, the transports are required to carry the goods, carry the material. So these are the transport developed. Now we will conclude the chapter that what is exactly industrial revolution is. When agriculture and farming age is ending and beginning of the machine and industry age is known as the industrial revolution. When agriculture and farming age is replacing when the machine and industrial age is replacing when the machine and industrial age is replacing the agriculture and farming age. Okay, previously people are dependent only in agriculture and farming. Now they are dependent on machine and industry. This revolution, this change is known as the industrial revolution. The revolution means any change, and this so revolution means change, and this is the biggest change happened during the Renaissance time, when the agriculture and farming land was replaced by machine and industrial age. Now people are no more working in the farming land. Now people are working in the factories, and this resulted in the huge population in the Europe and especially in England. Why in England? Because this industrial revolution started first in England, then it spread it to other countries. So a quick revision: industrial revolution is the age of machine and industry replaced by agriculture and farming. And this revolution developed during the Renaissance time, first developed by England, and it was developed when people started having scientific questions. So industrial revolution means the change where the agriculture farming land was replaced by machine and industry age. So the steam power played an important role for running the machine. And the 5 points you have to remember: that the factory setup, trade developed, industrial town, and the transport system.